Oh, when the sun beats down and burns the tar up on the roof, and your shoes get so hot you wish your tired feet were fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby, that's where I'll be.
Under the boardwalk,
out of the sun,
under the boardwalk,
we'll be having some fun.
under the boardwalk,
People walking above,
under the boardwalk,
we'll be falling in love.
under the boardwalk, boardwalk.
From the park you hear the happy sounds of a carousel. You can almost taste the hot dogs and French fries they sell. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby is where I'll be.
Under the boardwalk,
Out of the sun,
under the boardwalk,
we'll be having some fun.
under the boardwalk,
People walking above,
under the boardwalk,
we'll be falling in love.
under the boardwalk, boardwalk.
Thanks to Boyle's Law and Charles' Law, we now have a greater understanding of how gases affect our environment, such as our ozone. Because of all the dangerous gases and how they react, we've caused a bunch of damage to our ozone layer. This damage is now affecting polar bears, because our ice caps are now melting. Just look, does that polar bear look happy? His home is gone. Is your home gone?
Oh no, the pressure of the air has caused our boat to drift away. You should have tied it down.
My bad, mate.
You better be.
Well, if we cut down this tree we could make a raft and float over to the boat.
You're a genius. The buoyancy of the wood is enough to keep it afloat because of the oxygen pockets in the wood.
You're right. Well, we shall have to make a fire tonight because it's getting dark soon.
Okay, but remember to avoid the fumes because when a combustion reaction occurs it emits carbon dioxide gas and water.
Oh gee, thanks. I wish I was in chemistry.
Brian, I'm sorry I'm crying. I just do not understand why my stomach hurts after drinking this pop.
It's okay, the pop was just fizzy because it was carbonated, and when the carbon reacts with your stomach it makes it upset.
Thanks Brian, I did not know that. I'll make sure I do not shake up my drink next time.
How dare you make a hole in the ozone layer?
I am sorry, I did not know that when I made the first car the gases it emitted were harmful.
You should know that in a combustion reaction carbon dioxide and water is emitted and those chemicals deplete our ozone layer.
Now I understand, thank you. Now I know how cars relate to gases.
Hey Bob, how's it going? I have some news about gases and chemistry for you today.
I am doing good, and what do we need to say today?
Neon tube lights are electrified, luminous tubes filled with neon or other noble gases. These neon signs have been used for over a century as a long-lasting economical way to enter.
The signs are generally expensive, yet they last for many years and are not expensive to run. The first neon signs were invented in the early 1900s. They were called Geissler tubes, yet because of pressure loss during use they were unsuitable for public use.
The tubes work by putting the noble gases under very low pressure, then running an electrical current through the tube, which excites the noble gas, causing it to glow its characteristic color.
Helium makes red, neon makes red and orange. Argon makes bright blue, krypton makes white, and xenon makes purple.
Radon, which is also a noble gas, cannot be used because of its dangerous radioactive properties. Neon signs are still used today for signs in store windows.